if you have a picky eater, or wait, no, just have a kid, okay, who picks out all the vegetables from their fried rice, you are the right place today. Listen, if you've also been to a kid's party and just be worried about how much food, especially fried rice, was wasted after the party just because the kids picked out their vegetables, join me in my kitchen today. Because today we'll be making fried rice, yes, but we are going to hide all the vegetables we are going to use in there. So I have in my saucepan here some chicken pieces. You can use any chicken parts of your choice. So ideally, I would not steam it because it's soft chicken. But because it's a kids' party or it's for kids, I'm going to be steaming it with some curry powder first and go in with some local mixed spices and add some salt. So I omitted any artificial seasoning because I am targeting a kids' party, okay? And we don't want a situation whereby any kid that tastes the food is allergic to any of those seasonings, and then it will be wahala for you if they did not bring their EpiPen to the party. So enough water has gone in. I'm going to cover the saucepan and allow this to cook halfway. We'll need the stock later. So I have here some vegetables. Today for my fried rice, I'm using some carrots, onions, garlic, ginger, and habanero pepper. I'm going to blend all these vegetables and then add it into my rice. So once the blended vegetables go in, I'll go in also with my chicken stock. Give this a very good mix. At this point, you can taste for salt and correct here because I don't want to add any seasoning when I'm doing the fried rice itself, okay? And because the target of this video is the kids, we're going to make sure the rice is maybe a little softer than usual, but not mushy, okay? So I decided to create this recipe because we'll go and buy takeout and the boys will finish the fried rice without complaining. But whenever I make fried rice at home, Mommy, the carrot is too big. Mommy, I don't like this onion. Till they finish eating. But today, I was ahead of them, cry. So as you can see, my rice is doing well. I'll go in and fluff it up a bit and then allow it to finish cooking and then cool down a bit before going ahead to using my fried rice. If you're new here, my name is Yasmi. You're welcome to my kitchen taste and bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. So now let's make our fried rice proper. So in another saucepan, I'm going to add in a bit of oil and then fry my sausages first. At this point, you can essentially use any other proteins of your choice, but I'm going to be going for sausages and eggs. So the eggs have been seasoned with salt already. I'll just make way for them in the same saucepan I'm frying the sausages and then scramble. Let me also take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my amazing returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please, as you're watching the video as well, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below when you're done watching, and then share as well when you're done watching, okay? So at this point, my rice will go in, and then I'll give everything a good mix, and then our fried rice will be ready. So this is Vlogmas Day 3, and today I'm bringing you fried rice with hidden vegetables. Great for picky eaters, great for a kids party, great for your children in general. I mean, you can also make this for the entire family as well. And yeah, like I've always said in all my fried rice recipes, fry the rice properly till it's well done. And I served it with some chicken, and honestly, it was so good. We wanted more. Be sure to give this recipe a try and give me feedback whenever you meet me on any social media platform because I'm on all of them. And until my next video, keep blooming.